as you can see from the clips before, I went to Ikea the other day, and this is all the furniture stuff that I bought. I got one of these trolley things, and I'm going to use it to keep some of my craft stuff in. It looks a mess right now because I've just put loads of stuff in it. I haven't quite figured out where I want to put everything yet, so it's just all kind of in there messily. But it's got 3 shelves. I'm thinking I'm going to use the bottom one for books and things that I'm reading at the moment. And then the top one is just going to be for what I'm doing right now. So that was painting. I also got 2 of these drawer unit things. They were about £25 each. And they're really nice. I'm really pleased with them. This one is for all of my craft supplies. And this one is just for other stuff, like you'd have in a bedside table. So that's everything I got in Ikea. I hope you enjoyed the video. I wish I'd filmed more of me putting the furniture together, but I was doing it in the evening so it got kind of dark. I'm going to do a proper room tour eventually once my room's nice and tidy and everything's exactly how I want it. But if you'd like to see what I keep in my drawers and what I put in the trolley thing when I've kind of decided on what I actually want to put in it, then let me know and I'll do a video on that. Because I'm really pleased with the trolley. I've wanted one of those for quite a while. You see a lot of them on Pinterest and stuff like that, and they just look really cool. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!